It is going really wonderful. So really, when I started, when I enrolled for this workshop, I never thought it will be so interesting. But these 2 days, like we are like completely really interesting session, and it is like completely enjoyable, and we are all having a very good time here. So how I'll define this session is like this is a way of looking leadership into a different way, in a different way actually. Yes. So I really love this actual definition, the new definition of leadership. And it is like again, whatever I said, most of the things maybe we would have seen or we would have followed, but it is really interesting that we have been doing something good, and it is interesting to understand and analyze what we were doing and how we have to improve, and what is our areas of improvement, everything. Definitely. Actually, I would actually recommend for everybody in a profit-based organization to take this workshop. If it is 100% sure workshop, which will actually going to help us in our personal as well as in our professional way. So when it comes to personal, I could relate. It is not a complete leadership which is going to work only in an professional environment. I could relate many of my day-to-day personal activities with this, and I am able to find solution for that also. So when it comes to a profit organization, when we deal with only money, it is not only with money, right? It has to come up, it has to be a package of values which is resulting in a good revenue. So in that format, when we look in that format, this is actually recommended, and it is a must to have session. It is definitely not a classroom training. It is actually a class. It is a group analysis and a group study. You don't have to sit and listen to the session. It is not like that. It is completely filled with activity, with a lot of fun, and with a lot of things to think, put our thoughts in. That is where we love this session. It is not only me, all of us in this session are thoroughly enjoying this, and this is a very good session.